Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Finviz for penny stocks. Full guide. Open Finviz, go to the Screener tab, and set the price filter under to isolate penny stocks. Apply exchange and sector filters to limit results to familiar markets. Adjust market cap and volume minimums to avoid illiquid names. Save your filter as a custom screen for quick access later and preview charts before deep research. Focus on filters that matter for penny stocks: volume, float, and basic fundamentals. Start with a volume cutoff like 100K to reduce extreme illiquidity. Add float or shares outstanding filters to see potential dilution risks. Use simple technical filters such as relative strength or moving average crossovers to find momentum candidates. Combine a few filters rather than many to keep a manageable watch list. Then review charts and news for any candidate. When results appear, click each ticker to inspect charts, volume, and pattern clarity before any assumptions. Look for consistent volume spikes and obvious support or resistance levels rather than noisy chop. Cross-check fundamentals when accessible, focusing on revenue trends and any notable debt levels. Use the compare feature to see if peers show similar setups, which can validate a sector move. Always flag names for deeper due diligence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.